video, make sure to subscribe to my channel, give it a big thumbs up.
No, you have to put the phone up closer to you. What they Are we?
We're in park. We're at a park and we're about to go play. I might even play some soccer. Because I got my ball right here. So yeah, wow. They even get this a lot of lipstick. I got green. Like they have this really dark side, and it's like really dark, but it can be a little lightish. But like when I go down it with my flashlight on, to make it a little dark.
Wait, hey guys,
Fireworks starts in 3 minutes. Is it 4?
what if you did the picky dance?
Riley? Gabriella? I know the Gabriella dance better than anyways, the fireworks start over there. Sorry.
Say, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're watching fireworks. No, wait. Now.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're watching fireworks.
Okay, here.
No, it ends at 10. It ends at 10.
We need to start walking.
Oh my gosh. Guys, they're so loud. They're so loud. Wait, hold on. Wait, what does it look like? Oh my gosh, so safe. I think I saw something fall from the sky. Wow, y'all. It's that cool, y'all. So can't see. And so can't see. see that. I saw it was dark. Oh, y'all, I should have got it off of the court. There was an ember on fire.
We're gonna leave in like 20.
We're gonna have to leave too. Was that the baby? I was about to say, don't we have to leave before it gets that? Me neither. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, my eye. Oh my gosh.
Oh, they look like fireflies.
Those look like
They look like fireflies.
Oh my gosh.
That was gonna be big.
Wow. Oh. Oh my gosh.
How do you have enough storage space?
I usually just delete it.
I think that would be good. I think that's good enough for a video, right?
Hope. Yeah.
Oh,
You gotta save some.
you watching it outside of your phone?
Yeah.
Oh, gosh.
They should have a drone show. Oh wow. This is her second time seeing fireworks? No, third time. It's the third time. But this is her second 4th of July.
It was a smiley face.
Wow. That looks like a butterfly.
What was that?
It looks like a leaf.
Oh my god, that's Joey.
Oh. They should do it just like this.
What if we did that?
A drop show. They should do one of those.
What if they're earning star fireworks like stars?
Yeah.
That one was a star.
That was?
Kind of.
That was so cool. Song.
I know.
Oh my gosh, it's like colorful rain. That is a cool. No, that was really, really pretty. It looks like stars. What happens if a flame? Oh my god.
They're not close.
Oh my gosh.
That was a star. I think
Yeah. This is so. Are you sure it is? Oh yeah, it is. Wait, no, because we went to a drone show with fireworks last year. Yeah. Remember when we went to Uncle Travis' birthday? Yeah. So this is our second one. Yeah. I have a whole video on YouTube of it. Of it. Probably, yeah, so yeah.
I think it's too close.
that's the first year.
Not the